plan. So the stepping is really, really important because you have to step with deliberateness. Bending the knees, turning the waist. The waving the hands is to get rid of the worry. Just like looking at clouds in the sky. And the clouds disappear just like your worries disappear. So we're going to convert worry into an action plan. Okay? And now you're doing an action. This is a moving meditation. We call it the spleen two-step. Last night's webinar, we talked about the spleen being part of controlling the immune system. So this actually builds white blood cells, this particular movement. So this builds your immune system. So starting next week, this is going to be one of the main exercises we're going to do. So you got a preview of this one. Okay, you got a preview today of what we're going to learn next week, which is going to be one of our major ones. So worry, fear, and anger are the three emotions that drive us the most. Worry, fear, anger. And in the course of a day, we bounce back and forth. Worry, fear, worry, fear, worry, fear, worry, fear, anger! Worry, fear, worry, fear, worry, fear, anger! So we flip back and forth between these emotional states that causes the muscles to contract. And if you have any friends, any real friends, any IRL, in real life friends, you need to tell them about this course because they're going to learn more about how their bodies work and how they can repair them than they can out of any book